Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to making besan gatta sabji in microwave. First take 2 cup besan, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, refined oil 2 tablespoons, carom seeds, ajwain. Mix it well. Add water and make a small soft dough. Now dough is ready. Add some oil on dough and press it. Now dough is ready for gatta. Now take a small ball and roll it like this. Make all gattas like this. Now take a microwave safe bowl. Add 1 glass of water. Add some salt. Mix it. Select microwave mode 900 watt. Select. And set time for 8 minutes. Now open the door. Place ball. Close the door and start microwave and boil water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will add our gattas in this water. After 2 minutes, add these gattas in. You can see our water boil in 2 minutes. Now add all gattas in this boiling water. Cover the lid. And start microwave. We will check our gattas after 4 minutes. Now let's wait for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes check our gattas. You can see starts to boiling well, but we are cook it for again 2 minutes. Take out your bowl. You can see our gatta is boiled well. Now cut it. Take out all your gattas in water. I am using knife, or you can use tongue. Now cut all gattas in small pieces. Like this. You can see cooked well. You can eat as if you want it boiled gattas. I taste one gatta, it cooked well. I cut all gattas. I will add this water in curry. Now take a borosil bowl. Add refined oil, 2 tablespoons. Add carom seeds, ajwain. You can add onion, garlic, ginger if you like. I add only carom seeds. Now start microwave again, full power, and set time for 2 minutes. Please boil and start for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we open the microwave door and add our other all ingredients. I cook it for 30 seconds. If you add onion, garlic, ginger, then you should cook for 2 minutes. After 30 seconds, open the door. Add coriander powder. Red chili powder. Turmeric. Salt. Hing. Mix it and again cook for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, open the door and now add our other ingredients, curd. Now mix curd well. After whisking curd, add our gatta water in this and mix. Now add our curd in this pot. Mix well. Add some turmeric. Now add our gattas in this curry. Place container and microwave and start again and cook for 2 minutes. Now our besan gatta sabji is ready. Now add garam masala if you like and garnish with green chilies and coriander. Now our gatta curry is ready. Friends, thanks for watching.